Hi guys, so today we are opening Clamp Champ 2021 or 2020, I'm not sure, set that I couldn't find, and I found beat up box, but I'm happy with it. So these are all you can have. I don't have this one, I don't have Shira, I do have Roboto, I don't have it, have him now, and don't have him. I really do want Zodak, but you know. So here's the UPC and the ice assortment number, and that's what he does. He gets the clamp and he clamps you. So without further ado, let's get him out of his freaking old plastic prison. I think he's been inside for too freaking long. Okay, so we got the same thing. We always get the little thing, you know, little paper. Is it him? I don't know, I guess so. We get a comic book that we got before every time in 2020 reboot of the Masters of the Universe. And so the camera fell, guys. The camera fell. Never mind. We're continuing. So we get his clamp, which this is how it goes. It goes behind. And when you press this, it clamps you. So that's the first part. Let's tilt you down. Then we get one more hand. And then we get his other weapon. And then we get his other head, which is kind of creepy because I really don't need the other head. But look how creepy is this head. Is it just me? I don't know. And let's get him out. So this is him without a glare. I really love him. Love this teal blue color. And I love this face. I don't like that face. He looks really angry there and kind of mean. Here he looks just ready to fight. So let's get him out. I'm sorry. The camera will not cooperate at freaking all. Okay, did I get him? Okay, I got him out. Okay, so we did get him out, and here he is. And so his armor is removable. He's got those stiff legs. Amazingly stiff, and he's very dusty. But I'm gonna change his hand into this hand, into that fist hand, because he's gotta hold both of his weapons. And let's see how he does that. Okay, so this is going in this hand. I don't know, it just looks very uncomfortable to hold, doesn't it? And this goes into this hand, I think. Yeah. I don't know, it looks very uncomfortable. How would you hold that? Come on now. I don't know. Just like this. Is he gonna be able to stand? Okay, he is standing like this. Okay, you see, you can put his other head here. It's disgusting, but yeah. Well, That's a clam champ, guys. I like it. Let's put the clam back. Let's try to animate this. So when you put this, then you flip this. Okay, it works. So I hope you like him. He's kind of cool. Look at him. Come and get me, Skeletor. I'll get you one day. Well, anyway, forget about my mimicking, and I hope you like him. He's going into my permanent collection. And subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye from Tom. Hope you had a nice, weekend, because it's Sunday today. And talk to you soon.